Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this granny square. Start with a magic circle, insert a hook, make a single crochet first, pull a yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn back, yarn over hook, pull it over 2 loops. We just made a 1 double crochet. Make another double crochet in the magic circle, chain 1, repeating this pattern for another 7 times. So 2 double crochet, chain 1. In total we needed 8 sets. Please follow the pattern and we'll be back after 8 sets. Pull the yarn tight, snip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn. For the second round we need to change color. Insert the hook to any chain 1 area. Make a single crochet first. We are just going to make a crochet first. You can do chain 3 instead, or you can make a single crochet first and then just insert the hook to the single crochet and make another single crochet. Or you can do other way like I just did for the first round. So make 2 double crochet, chain 1, and same stitch make another 2 double crochet. 2. You can crochet the ends together like I do, or you can just weave in the ends after you finish the square. So we just made a 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the chain 1 area. We just need to repeat the pattern for every chain 1 area. It's 8 sets in total, and we'll be back when you finish the 8 sets. So after you finish 8 sets, just snip stitch to the first stitch and chain 1. Now we're going to make 3rd round. So this round we are only going to crochet in the chain 1 area. We're going to make 1/2 double crochet, 5 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet in the chain area. Yarn over hook, make a 1/2 double crochet and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 1/2 double crochet. And insert the hook to the last chain 1 area. Make 1/2 double crochet and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/2 double crochet. Please repeat the pattern and finish the round. So after 1 last half double crochet and snip stitch to join the round to the first stitch, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. For the 4th round, we're going to change back to black color. We are just going to crochet 7 single crochet for the 7 stitches. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to make a double crochet back to round 3. Insert the hook to round 3, any stitch, any skipped stitch. Make a longer version double crochet. So that's 1 set. In 1 set we got 7 single crochets and 1 double crochet back to round 3. So let me show you again. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5, 6, 7, and 1 double crochet back to round 3, skipped stitch. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Now snip stitch to join the round. Chain 1, now we are going to crochet in a double crochet stitch. So we snip stitch the yarn back to double crochet stitch like this. Pull the yarn over the stitch, chain 1, and make a half double crochet on this stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make 4 single crochet from the following 4 stitches. 3, 4, chain 1. Now yarn over hook, we are going to crochet on the double crochet stitch. So make 2 double crochet bobble, which is half finished double crochet yarn over hook. Make another half finished double crochet and yarn over 3 loops, chain 3. In the same stitch, make another 2 double crochet bobble. And yarn over 3 loops at the same time, chain 1. Now we skip 2 stitches, make 4 single crochet from the following 4 stitches. 3, 4, skip 1 stitch and make 1 half double crochet on the double crochet stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make 4 single crochet from the following 4 stitches. Chain 1. Skip 2 stitches and make another corner, which is 1 2 double crochet bobble, chain 3, 1 2 double crochet bobble, chain 1. Skip 2 stitches, make 4 single crochet from the following 4 stitches. So let's look at the pattern here. I made 1 half double crochet on the double crochet stitch and skip 1 4 single crochet from the following 4 stitches. Chain 1 and skip 2 stitches and make a corner, which is 1 double crochet bobble, 3 chain, and 1 double crochet bobble in the same stitch. And chain 1, skip 2 stitches and make 4 single crochet from the following 4 stitches. So from the first half double crochet to just before this half double crochet is 1 set. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For the last round, we're going to make double crochet for each stitch except the corner. For the first double crochet, we make a single crochet first, pull the yarn longer, turn the hook, pull the yarn back, yarn over the hook and pull over 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet for every stitch until the chain 1 area. Now we made 5 double crochet and we are here, chain 1 area, make another double crochet, and from the bobble stitch we make 1 double crochet as well, and we are here from the corner. So we make 3 double crochet in this chain 3 area, 3, chain 2, make another 3 double crochet in the same chain corner. 3, and make double crochet for the bobble stitch, and make another double crochet for the chain area, and just double crochet for every stitch. And when you go to corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet for the chain 3 area. You need to remember chain area also make 1 double crochet, and then bobble stitch make 1 double crochet. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to join to the first stitch, chain 1, and cut off the yarn. This is how you make this granny square. If you learned how to make this square today, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.